Hey there and welcome. Let's be honest, have you ever felt like your entire workday is just trapped inside a spreadsheet? Well, if you're nodding your head right now, you are in exactly the right place. We're about to map out a clear path from Excel frustration to total fluency. So let's kick things off with a struggle I think pretty much all of us can relate to. You know that feeling, right? You open up Excel, you're ready to get stuff done, but you just get bogged down. All these manual tasks, confusing formulas, and there's always that little voice in the back of your head saying, ugh, there has to be a better way to do this. So, does this sound familiar? Maybe you're burning hours on reports that you know should probably only take a few minutes. Or maybe you're just clicking around, totally aware that you're only using about, 10% of what this incredibly powerful tool can actually do. And that right there, that's the whole point. This isn't just about learning some software. It's about getting your time back. It's about boosting your own productivity. Seriously, every single moment you spend fighting with a spreadsheet is a moment you're not spending on the work that actually matters. Okay, so what if there was a clear, structured, hands-on way to get that mastery? Well, that's exactly what this Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2016 course is all about. Think of it as your roadmap to becoming a really confident, really productive Excel user. And we've broken the whole journey down into 3 simple but powerful outcomes. First, you're going to learn how to apply these skills to your actual daily work. Then you'll work effectively with all the best features. And finally, you'll be putting together polished professional reports that really make an impact. And it all kicks off on day 1. Look, we're not just going to throw you into the deep end here. We're going to build a rock-solid foundation from the ground up, so you really get the why behind every single click. We start with the absolute basics. You'll get super comfortable creating and saving workbooks, managing your worksheets, all that good stuff. We're also going to completely demystify the interface. You know, the ribbons, the tabs, the groups, so you can find what you need right when you need it without even thinking about it. And listen, this is not going to be some dry, boring theory. Nope. Right from the get-go, we've got a hands-on session that gets you in there, exploring the environment and building up that crucial muscle memory. From there, we just keep building on that solid foundation. You'll learn how to make Excel fit your style, using templates so you can stop reinventing the wheel. And we'll even customize the quick access toolbar so your favorite tools are always just one single click away. And you guessed it, we're immediately putting it all into practice. This Work It Out session is all about making sure these little productivity hacks become totally second nature to you. Now this next part, this is a game changer. We are going to show you the secrets to entering data with incredible speed. Just imagine using tools like autocomplete and the fill handle to fill out hundreds of cells in just a few seconds. This is the definition of working smarter, not harder. And of course, this session is all about building habits that make sure your work is right the first time. Because let's be real, the faster and more efficiently you can get your data in, the fewer mistakes you're going to make. It's as simple as that. All right, on day 2, we take everything we've learned and we shift into high gear. This is where you go from just being a capable user to a truly productive one. This is where you unlock the real power hiding inside Excel. And now we get to the heart of it all, formulas. And no, they're not just for math whizzes. They are the engine of automation. This is the moment you stop being a manual calculator and you start telling the program to do all the heavy lifting for you. You're going to learn the language of formulas, from simple math to powerful functions like AutoSum, count, and average. And most importantly, you'll master something called relative and absolute references. Trust me, it's a skill that lets you apply one formula across thousands of rows in an instant. It's like a superpower. This practical session is perfectly named because it's where you'll learn to make Excel your most reliable sidekick, one that can count, calculate, and analyze your data for you flawlessly every single time. You know, as your spreadsheets get bigger, just managing them can be a huge headache. So here, you'll learn all the tricks to keep your work clean and easy to read. Things like freezing panes so your headers are always visible, or hiding columns you don't need so you can focus on what's important. And to wrap it up, we'll cover the finishing touches. You know, the little things that make your work look incredibly professional and ready to present. From adding comments for your team to setting up the perfect print layout with headers and footers, we've got you covered. Then, to cap it all off, you're going to tackle a mini project. Now, this isn't a test. Think of it as a milestone. It's your chance to use all the skills you've just learned in a real-world scenario,
proving to yourself that, yeah, you are now a confident, capable Excel user.
So, after seeing this whole journey from struggle to mastery, the only real question left is this the right next step for you and for your career?
Well, who is this for? Honestly, whether you're a clerk, an administrator, an executive, or a manager at any level, this course was built with your day-to-day challenges in mind. It's really for anyone whose job means they have to open a spreadsheet and get things done efficiently. Ultimately, this is for anyone who just wants to get better. If you want to work smarter, save yourself countless hours, and add a seriously powerful, in-demand skill to your professional toolkit, then yeah, this is for you. Just think about it for a second. How would it feel to be the go-to person for spreadsheets? The one who can solve those tricky problems and build amazing reports with speed and total confidence? Are you ready to make that your reality?